Hello, tech enthusiasts and road trip aficionados. I'm your dashboard guru, and I've been navigating the world of automotive tech for over a decade. Today, we're reflecting on safety and innovation with the top 5 mirror dash cams in 2024. If you're all about capturing the journey, enhancing safety, and doing it with cutting-edge technology, you're in for a treat. But before we hit the road with these fantastic mirror dash cams, make sure to check the links in the description for more tech tips. Give that like button a little road trip love. Don't forget to subscribe and join our tech-savvy community. And of course, activate that notification bell so you're the first to know about the latest in automotive tech and reviews. Now, let's drive into the world of safety and innovation with these top mirror dash cams. Starting at number 5, EACE D13 Mirror Dash Cam. The EACE 4G Car DVR is a 10-inch mirror dash cam that seamlessly integrates Android 8.1 functionality with smart recording features. With 4G support, GPS navigation, and a 10.0-inch touchscreen, it caters to users looking for a comprehensive solution. The inclusion of 2 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM ensures smooth operation. Featuring front and rear cameras with different apertures, it captures clear footage in various conditions. The support for additional features like ADAS, FM, and night vision enhances its usability. The 1080p rear camera further contributes to a detailed recording experience. For those seeking an integrated solution with advanced features and connectivity options, the EACE 4G Car DVR stands out as a reliable choice. At number 4, AZDOME PG17 Mirror Dash Cam. The AZDOME PG17 Mirror Dash Cam is designed for drivers who prioritize simplicity without compromising on features. With front and rear dual dash cameras and an 11.8 full touch screen, it provides a clear and convenient interface. The 1080p night vision backup camera enhances safety during low light conditions. The inclusion of a GPS logger and a 128 GB max external memory option adds value to this dash cam. The waterproof and anti-fog features make it suitable for various weather conditions. Its warranty of 1 year is reassuring for those looking for long-term reliability. For users who appreciate a straightforward yet feature-rich mirror dash cam, the AZDOME PG17 is a solid choice. At number 3, OPEK D91 Mirror Dash Cam. The OPEK D91 is a 12-car DVR rearview mirror with an impressive array of features, making it a versatile companion for drivers. Running on Android 8.1, it not only functions as a dash cam, but also offers GPS navigation and ADAS capabilities. The dual lens system, with front and rear cameras, records in full HD 1080p for clear and detailed footage. Its IPS display, touch screen interface, and a wide range of special features, including G-sensor motion detection and real-time surveillance, contribute to a comprehensive user experience. The 4G connectivity adds an extra layer of functionality, enabling features like remote monitoring. With a generous warranty and support for up to 128 GB external memory, the OPEK D91 is an excellent choice for drivers seeking a multifunctional and reliable mirror dash cam. At number 2, Wolfbox G900 Mirror Dash Cam. The Wolfbox G900 is a powerhouse among mirror dash cams, offering a 4K plus 2.5K dual lens experience for unparalleled clarity. Its upgrade to a Type-C interface ensures durability and reliability during prolonged use. The waterproof AHE rear-view camera enhances safety during both driving and reversing. The encoding protocol upgrade to a 265 not only saves storage space, but also delivers smoother images. The 12 smart full-touch screen, coupled with an advanced Starvis sensor, provides an intuitive and high-resolution display. The inclusion of a 64 GB TF card and GPS module adds value to the package. Wolfbox's commitment to quality is evident in its upgraded supercapacitor, ensuring extreme temperature resistance and environmental friendliness. This mirror dash cam is a comprehensive solution for those seeking top-tier performance, innovative features, and a user-friendly interface. Number 1. HeyDo M210 Mirror Dash Cam. The HeyDo M210 Mirror Dash Cam is a technological marvel, delivering an impressive 4K plus 2K recording experience for drivers seeking both quality and functionality. The inclusion of a Sony IMX415 front and IMX307 rear camera ensures vivid and clear footage. The installation options are flexible, with choices ranging from mirror straps to replacing the original mirror with their bracket. It caters to various preferences. This dash cam's standout feature is its 5-screen display modes, offering versatility in how you view your recordings. The inclusion of GPS tracking, G-sensor loop recording, parking guard, and 24H parking monitor positions it as a comprehensive safety device. The rear camera's adjustable angles, night vision, and voice control further enhance its usability. Moreover, the HeyDo M210 supports Wi-Fi functionality, enabling convenient video management through your phone. For those prioritizing advanced features and top-notch resolution, this dash cam is an excellent investment.